Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are diving into the basics of Arduino. And if you're getting started, this is the best first project to begin with. We'll start by blinking the built-in LED to get a feel for digital output. Then we'll move on and build a simple LED traffic signal using three LEDs and a few lines of code. By the end of this video, you'll know how to control Arduino pins, write basic logic in the IDE, and simulate how embedded systems handle time signals. This right here is the Arduino IDE. Whenever you start a new sketch, you'll see two sections, setup and loop. The setup function is used for all your initial configuration and runs just once when the program starts. On the other hand, loop runs continuously, repeating the instructions inside it over and over again. To begin, I'm going to write pin mode LED built-in output. I have written pin mode LED built-in comma output in the setup section. This line tells the Arduino that we want to use the built-in LED as an output device. Once that done, we can head into the loop section. This is the section where we tell the Arduino what to do and keep it doing on repeat. For blinking the LED, we'll use digital right to turn it on. We are going to add a delay of 1000 milliseconds. The delay function takes time in milliseconds as its argument. So when we write delay of 1000, we are telling the Arduino to pass for 1 second. Then we'll turn it off with another digital write and add another delay before the cycle repeats. When we compile this code, we are not seeing any error. So we can upload this sketch into the Arduino. So, so the code has done compiling, and as you can see, the built-in LED turns on and off with a delay of 1 second. Moving on, you can actually use the same code to control an external LED. Just connect it to digital pin 13 on your Arduino board. The reason we are using pin 13 is that it's already linked to the built-in LED inside the Arduino. So when we toggle the built-in LED in the code, it also sends signals through pin 13. That means your external LED is connected to the same pin will turn on and off in perfect sync. Next up, we are going to build a basic traffic light system. For this, we'll turn on the red LED first, followed by the green and then the yellow, mimicking a real traffic signal. You'll need a breadboard, some jumper cables, three LEDs, red, yellow, and green, and three resistors. For simplicity, I'm not using resistors in this demo, but I highly recommend adding one per LED to prevent overcurrent. The picture you are seeing now is the wiring diagram for our Arduino traffic light setup. It exactly shows how to connect the red, yellow, green LEDs to the pins using jumper wires and a breadboard. Each LED shares a common ground connection, and while I'm skipping resistors here to keep things simple, I definitely recommend adding one per LED, about 220 ohms, to avoid overloading the board. And now, let's start writing the code. I have connected the LEDs to pin number 11, 12, and 13 respectively. In the loop section, we are going to turn the red LED, which is wired to pin number 13, on and off for 5 seconds. So I'll just create a comment. I have copied this code. I have increased the delay to 7 seconds for the green light to mimic the original uh, traffic signal. I'm going to set the delay for 3 seconds for the yellow light. I made a small mistake earlier and I've just fixed it. The Arduino IDE is case sensitive. So the proper format is digital write with only the W in uppercase. So when I compile this, I don't get any error. And we can start uploading it to the Arduino. As you can see, the traffic light is working perfectly. This project is an awesome starting point for anyone just beginning their Arduino journey. It's simple and sets the foundation for more advanced builds. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.